Good morning students, today is day 18. Today we will discuss some examples related to relations. The previous lecture was ordered pair, Cartesian product of two sets, domain, range, codomain. Now we take an example if A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 4, 5, 6. Now what is A cross B? A cross B means Cartesian product of two sets, means 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 4 3 5 3 6. So these are the ordered pairs. The first element is domain, and the second elements, all the second elements constitute range, and the set B constitutes codomain. So we can also write A cross B is as R. Now what is R? R is a relation of 1 with the 4, 1 with 5, 1 with 6, 2 with the 4 and so on. Now we discuss some cases. Please listen it carefully. Now we discuss some cases, 4 cases related to this question. So the first case is case number first. So the first case is, now we discuss the first case. The first case is relation R1 x comma y such that y is greater than x, x belongs to A, y belongs to B. One thing remember, the relation can be represented in basically 3 ways. The first is set builder form, the second is roster form, and the third is by arrow diagram. So relation can also be represented in 3 ways. For example, this is a set builder form. Now this is a condition. Y is greater than x. So y is greater than x. So what are the possible orders? Relation equals to y is greater than x. So now 4 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 1, 6 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 1, 2, 5 is greater than 2. So all the cases. So 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Please listen carefully. The condition is y is greater than x. Y is greater than x means in all these values the value of y is greater than x. So this condition is satisfied. Now R. Now what is domain? Domain is 1, 2, 3 and range second element 4, 5, 6. So by arrow diagram, this is A, this is B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the relations are 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. So through arrow diagram we can also represent these ordered pairs. Now R2. Relation R2. Now what is relation R2? Condition. So means x comma y such that y equals to x plus 3. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. Again, the given question is in the set builder form. This is the condition. This is the condition. So what are the possible orders? If we put x equals to 1, put the value of x equals to 1, 1 plus 3 becomes 4. If we put x equals to 2, 2 plus 3 equals to 5. If we put x equals to 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So these are the possible orders, and through arrow diagram, this is A, this is B. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6. So these are the two cases. Now we shift to the third case. Now we shift to the third case. So the third case is third case is case number 3. Relation R3. The condition is x comma y such that y equals to x plus 4. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. You have to just see the given condition. The given condition is y equals to x plus 4. Y equals to x plus 4. Now what are the possible orders? If we put x equals to 1, it becomes 5. If we put x equals to 2, 2 plus it becomes 6. But if we put x equals to 3, 3 plus 4 becomes 7, which is not present, which does not belongs to A or B. So these are the possible orders, and through arrow diagram, this is A, this is B, 1, 5, 2, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 5, 2, 6. Now we shift to case 4. What is the condition related to the case 4? R4 such that x comma y, x is greater than y, x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Now what is the condition? X is greater than y. You can see the ordered pairs. The value of x greater than y. So this is not possible because the value in all the cases, the value of x is less than y. 1 is less than 4, 1 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 3 is less than 4, 3 is less than 6. So in all the cases the value of x is less than y, which is equals to, the answer is 5. The answer is 5 because the condition does not fulfill according to the given ordered pairs. So we just discussed the 4 cases. The first case when the y is greater than x. Second case when y is equals to x plus 3. The third case y equals to x plus 4. The fourth condition x greater than y, which is equals to 5. So these are the examples related to relations. Now we shift to another example. Now we shift to another example. Now another question. The question is the elements of A are 2, 3, 4, 5 and the elements of B are 3, 6, 7, 10. Now x, y belongs to R relation. X divides y, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. The value of x belongs to A, the value of y belongs to B. Now this is the most important. This is a condition. X divides Y. Now there is a new concept, R inverse. So R inverse. So first of all, the condition we will find R. Now the condition is X divides Y. Now 2 divides in this element 6. So 2 6, it means 2 divides 6. Then 2 divides 10. Then 3 divides 3. Then 3 divides 6. Then 5 divides 10. So these are the ordered pairs according to the given condition X divides Y. Now this is the R. R means relation of 2 with 6, 2 with 10, 3 with 3, 3 with 6, 5 to 10 according to the given condition. Now we shift to R inverse. What is R inverse? R inverse means the first element becomes second and the second becomes first. Interchanging of first and second. So 6 2, 10 2, 3 3, 6 3, 10 5. So this is R inverse. Now we find domain. The domain, we will find domain from the relation R. Domain is the first elements 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5. Now what is range? Range is 6, 10, 3, 6, 10. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 6, 10. So 3, 6, 10. So this is a concept of R means relation, R inverse, domain, range. The whole concept depends upon the given condition. What is the condition? In this question, the condition is X divides Y. Now, the next question. So the next question is, question number 3rd, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equals to 1, 4, 5, X, Y belongs to R, X less than Y, X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Again, we have to find R inverse, domain, range. Now again, the total concept depends upon the condition. Or what is the condition? X is less than Y. So solution, first of all we will find R. Now value of X is less than Y means 1 is less than 4. 1 is less than 5. Then 2 is less than 4. 2 is less than 5. Then 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 5. Then 4 is less than 5. So these are the possible orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the possible orders. Now we find R inverse, interchanging of first element to second and vice versa. So this is 4 1, 5 1, 4 2, 5 2, 4 3, 5 3, 5 4. Now we find domain. We know what is domain. The first elements of ordered pairs in R. The first elements of ordered pair in R means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is range? Range is 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So 4, 5. This is another example. of relation R, the whole concept depends upon the given condition, that is x greater than y. Now the next question. The next question is, question number 5. A relation R is defined on the set Z of integers x, y belongs to R. The condition is x square plus y square equals to 25. So express R and R inverse as the sets of ordered pair. I just repeat the question. A relation R is defined on the set Z of integers. Integers means we can also choose the negative values. So the condition is x square plus y square equals to 25. Now we have to express R and R inverse as a set of ordered pairs as we have done in the previous question. So according to question, the condition is x square plus y square equals to 25. Now what are the possible values we can put so that value of x and y, so that the answer is 25. So relation R, first of all 0, 5, 5, 0, then 0, minus 5, minus 5, 0, then 3, 4, 4, 3, then minus 3, 4, then 4, minus 3, after that 3, minus 4, minus 4, 3. So after that minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 and minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the 12 ordered pairs which satisfy the given condition x square plus y square equals to 25. For example, the last order pair. If we put x equals to minus 4 square, the square of minus 4 is 16. Then put the value of y is minus 3. The square of minus 3 is 9. 16 plus 9, 25. So this is R. Now we find R inverse, changing of first element to second and vice versa. So this is 5, 0, 0, 5, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, minus 3, minus 3, 4, now minus 4, 3, 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. So this is a concept of relation R according to the different conditions. For example, in this question, the condition is x square plus y square equals to 25. We have to put the values of x and y including integers so that the answer is 25. So these are the possible orders. When we put these values of x and y, in this case we can get the value 25. So this is the relation R. The relation of 0 with the 5, 5 with the 0, 0 and minus 5, and so on. R inverse is changing of first element to second and second to first and so on.